Welcome to another edition of Damn TV with Damn Sam.
How's it going? Damn Sam here. This is my extension. I'll show you what we've done in a bit. One thing that I've had to finish off with these windows is cavity closers. Now, it's something that I've not come across because I'm not a builder, I work in damp. So I had to kind of YouTube it and find out, what you had to do. I bought cavity closers, and I don't know what's a good one and what's a bad one because they all come up. Looks like they're not the most expensive ones. It's normal white foam on them, but I'm just going to show you how they go in, and they'll do a job. I mean, it's got 100mm cavity wall insulation in, but I want to show you how these fit. So I've already done the bottom one. Basically, you cut them to size, and you've got insulation in the metal beam anyway. Lintel. That's what I wanted to say. Lintel. So you've got insulation in lintel. So what I've done. These are 100mm cavity closers, and on a lot of them you see this like it's like a gripper thing. I'm tipping it's for plastering and for dotting to, but when I was looking online I thought they squeezed in, because some of them I think they've got like a bit where you can push them in, a bit like a concertina, so it'll fit in. But what I've had to do with some of these is slice a bit off so it'll fit in. Most of them fit fairly snug because it's 100. This is 100mm. Right, so you've got a thick edge. Yeah, okay, so this edge is thicker and it's got all this whatever stuff on. This goes to outside, so you fit that into outside. And whichever one you're going to do first. So say you're going to do bottom one first. You cut like wings on it so that it'll go into your cavity. So it'll go like 10mm into cavity, and then this one will sit on top of it. And basically, put back edge in first, and then what I'm doing is just shove insulation with my fingers, just ease it in, and it's a bit tighter at the top. Jackson bricklayer, but it will go in. And that's flush. One of the things that I didn't tell you, what I do before is you have to get all snots off. So inside cavity on back edge, get your bricklaying trowel and then make sure there's no snot up there. Take all snots off here and erase bits of brickwork. I mean, I've already done these, so you off at sill, basically, so it's going to sit flush. So I've already cut this one. I've already cut these. I cut them with a jigsaw, just straight across. I've just got like a bit of a bench there. So thick edge to outside, and then push this in. And then what it tells you to do is just put a fixing in. Just put a fixing in, so just get a nail in. What I have to do is just put it in at an angle. in theory you could possibly stick these. So if you had some what we use on walls, you could possibly just stick that in and seal it if you wanted. The guy was coming to measure up for windows. I mean, they see loads of these, and that's one thing that he says. He says sometimes they just stick them on without clearing. It's not soft, so it sticks out and sticks out and sticks out. So when they come to fit windows, it's a nightmare for them. These are they're all smooth. This one. And what happened when I went to look first thing, there were a nesting cavity, in insulation in cavity. I'll show you it in a second. So that's all set. That's all set for window people. So cavity's insulated. And a lot of properties that we find when we're doing this condensation surveys and things like that, people get black mold inside it. On inside of the windows, and usually it's a cold spot that's created because they've not got a cavity closer on. So cavity's open and you've got cold air, and then they've put a board across, so it creates a cold spot, so you get a lot of condensation on it. And these will warm it up, so you just keep it warm. So we've done this one. This is my workstation. It's going to get tidied up in a bit. I'm just going to show you that. I'm going to show you that nest. That's it there. So that will ink cavity. We're just here. Don't know what sort of nest it was, whether it were a bird or a mouse or what, but anyway. So I just thought you might find that interesting. Cavity closers, all them are in. I've done one on there. So it's been a bit since I showed you in here. We've got second fix electrician's been in. He's got some finishing off to do. We've still got a scaffold up. They've not been able to get in because I've had a skip here, but we've finally filled it. Skip's going to be tucked away, and this can come down. Windows can be measured, and we can get them in, and we can lock door then, and I can start messing about with inside. Just going to be able to take that door out once that's done. So plumber's been in as well. Plumber's put this foot sink, waste pipe running out, radiator going to go in that corner, so you've got the pipes for radiator, all insulated. Once we're sealed up, he's going to drill through there and hook up with radiator that's in there, and there's a radiator in there as well. He's already drilled a hole through, yeah, so hole's already through there. In fact, I need to fill them up. So that's about it. I think that's all I can tell you. I've marked out for kitchen. Marked out here. We're having an island, so this is a waste foot island, and there's going to be hob on the other side. So I'd like to say it's all go, but it's not been all go. It's been steady away because we've had other jobs to do. But I'm not rushing. Take my time, get it done, and
and I'll keep you updated with progress. So please subscribe if you want to see how I get on, trying to finish it off and what it's going to be like in future. And if you think anybody's going to be interested in seeing how to put cavity closers in, or seeing how we end up with this new kitchen, then pass it on to them and let them know. And thanks if you're already subscribed. And I'll see you on the next video.
Thanks for watching another edition of Damn TV with Damn Sam. Please subscribe and please like the channel and